See, you didn't even get the other fucking thing that was like right there.
Would you relax? I don't even remember where it's at.
It's right there. Power up. No. I don't like that one.
I don't know why you're so opposed to some of these weapons.
Because they're fucking gay.
What's wrong with the stick?
The bow and arrow is the shit.
Bow and arrow is the shit.
Because it goes and it kills everything. Why do you waste your time on killing those things?
Fun.
See, there, you're gonna get the gold thing there. That should have been a shield for you.
My bad.
There should be another one, I think, over there, but I don't know. I'm not too sure, don't quote me on it.
It's like I know there's one over here, right?
Yeah, but it's either you're gonna risk yourself fucking dying, or just leave it alone until you get to the water, because there's another one that pops up in the water. It's like right there, double jump. Or like when it was going down, you could have did it, but no, I wouldn't risk it if I were you though. See, that's why I like that weapon. Told you it was right there.
You happy I got the shit?
Yay! And then I think you're supposed to... Oh no, the next chest is gonna be a wizard. Fucking allergies. No, you gotta... Make sure you stay on that thingy. Kill it! If you die, I call next.
We got a minute left.
No, you're close anyways. It's gonna reset right now. And there's gonna be chests popping up too when you're jumping all retarded and shit. There's a chest right in there too. Careful when you jump. No, don't get it. Cause you're gonna need that the arrows for the fucking bird.